Welcome back to the channel. We have an amazing tutorial for you today. If you're looking for fast internet speed and a secure connection, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a V2Ray Trojan server account and set it up on the HTTP Injector app. And before we begin, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. It really helps us grow. Now, let's get started. First, open your web browser and in the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit Enter. From the search results, click on the official UDP Custom website. This is where we'll be creating our V2Ray Trojan server. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, look for the menu button, usually located at the top corner of the site. Click on it, and you'll see a list of options. From that menu, choose V2Ray Server. This option will allow you to create your V2Ray Trojan server. You'll then be redirected to the server location selection page. Choose your preferred location, and after that, you'll land on the account creation page. Simply enter a username, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Create Now. Within a few seconds, your server details will be generated and displayed. Next, we need to set things up on the HTTP Injector VPN app. Make sure you have the latest version installed. On the home page of HTTP Injector, click the small arrow just below the Start button. A new window will appear. Here, select Tunnel Type V2Ray, and then click Save. Now click the Settings icon at the top of the app to expand the server settings list. From there, choose V2Ray, and it will open a new page. On the top right, you'll see a small plus button. Tap it, and then click the Paste button to import all the V2Ray Trojan server details. Once the data is added successfully, go back to the home screen and click the Connect button. That's it. You're now ready to enjoy fast, secure internet browsing with your brand new V2Ray Trojan server. And there you have it, creating and setting up a V2Ray Trojan server on the HTTP Injector app. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.